are going to sync, and that's SYNC with an exclamation mark. Sync is designed to enable synergy, productivity, and then sustainable growth for companies, thereby creating viable employment opportunities for young people across the world who are most affected by surging unemployment. Sync equips companies with a platform for successfully coordinating distributed remote and on-site work through a workflow management and team collaboration tool that simplifies milestone tracking, task management, team communication, and work output measurement. Please welcome onto the stage Princess Edokpayi.
I think one thing that has always driven me in my business, especially what I do, is what doesn't kill you makes you stronger.
Hello, everyone. My name is Princess. We all know that small businesses are the lifeline of any economy as they create jobs, they stimulate the economy, and also provide drive innovation. And we can also attest to the fact that a lot of these small businesses sort of fold up and cannot scale because they don't have the access to necessary and affordable tools for them to scale. Unfortunately, this is like the reality of a lot of businesses. Emerging markets lose over 500 billion annually due to low workforce productivity and company resource mismanagement. And according to the World Bank, there are over 120 million registered businesses that are struggling with productivity. Now, this is where Sync comes in. With over 400 million registered businesses in Africa, the demand for effective and affordable productivity tool is higher now more than ever, and Sync has the productivity of being the go-to platform on the continent. After working with various startups in Africa, Kristin, Aminat, and I discovered this pain point, which is the fact that these small businesses currently operate manual methods and use generic tools that do not meet their specific needs, leading to inefficiencies, missed deadlines, and lost opportunities for growth. And that's how we built Sync. Sync is a project management and collaboration platform that combines all the critical functions of task planning, milestone tracking, and payments while letting you collaborate and manage with your team effectively. How does it work? Sync provides you with an all-in-one platform that is customizable to your business, where you can track your project, track your milestone, and also assess critical insights that drive growth. What makes us different? Sync has been built to be intuitive in such a way that it's easy to navigate and so that users with low technical expertise can access the tool. We also offer flexible payment options because small businesses have varying budgets and varying needs. Lastly, we offer all these at a price point that is affordable to small businesses without compromising on the quality. We make money through 3 different ways. Tiered subscription, where businesses can go and pick from the different pricing plans based on their budget and their needs. And we also offer Project Boost, where project owners can increase the visibility of their projects. And lastly, we earn 0.5 to 5% commission on linked products like payments and lending. So far, we have 680 partner subscriptions and have made over $60,000 in revenue from year to date and have 5,200 users. Our team is led by 3 amazing women, Kristin, Aminat, and Princess, and we are backed by seasoned advisors who have more than 3 decades of experience in various business areas, and they ensure that we have the knowledge and expertise to drive Sync forward. Thank you very much.
Thank you. 2 minutes on the clock, please. Judges, you have the floor.
Sorry, I was just trying to figure out what the market size for this is, especially as it's focused on small and medium businesses. And it seems like you are currently very much focused in Nigeria. So what, sorry?
We're not focused on Nigeria.
So what was the size of this market?
So currently, we are trying to target the 400 registered business in Africa. And we are looking to just acquire even 40% of that market would is something we are willing to do, because no matter your business, whatever it is you do, Sync scales with you.
It's working.
How do you intend to acquire customers?
Okay, so currently what we do is we have partnered with different accelerators, incubators, and even enterprise supporting institutions. And currently, we just signed the licensing fee with one of them for 500 licenses for the business that they support.
I'm still not clear on your target market. So if you're partnering with accelerators, then you're talking about startups.
Startups, small businesses, people that are kind of looking for, they're not really like in their growth stage. They're still like trying to raise funds, trying to set up their team, trying to actually have a proper structure to their business.
Okay. And today you have how many businesses?
So currently we have over 5,200 users on the platform, but we have 680 active partner subscriptions.
They're active on your platform?
No, I said 680.
Are the ones? No, but you said those are partner subscriptions.
Yes,
but
so those are the
ones
active
active
ones.
Okay.
Yes, those are the active ones. Yeah.
And
But currently, people that have signed up to the platform, they are 5,200.
And your revenue is from when to when?
From 2001, 2021 till date. Yeah,
60,000.
yeah, 60,000. Sorry. Yeah.
And we're at time. Thank you. Thank you very much.